Welcome to Resi-licious recipes. Today I'm making a classic again in the patisserie. It's very easy. It's a Genoise biscuit sponge made with almonds, and you can use it as a layer for many cakes. A Genoise sponge is a classic fluffy biscuit cake originating from the wonderful city of Genoa in Italy. It has a very airy texture to it and is used as layers in many different recipes. You can brush it with a kirsch, liquor and water sugar mixture, and then add any creams of your liking that you like. Traditionally it's made without almonds. I'm making a version with almonds. It is made in two different techniques, either with a Bain Marie, which is a water bath. You cook the eggs and the sugar above simmering water, or you fluff up the dough really fast with a whisk. That's the version I will make. But yes, it makes a very light, beautiful, almost chiffon type cake. Heat up your oven to 180 degrees and prepare your cake tins. The Genoise, we are using 110 grams of egg yolks, 140 grams of egg whites, 130 grams of sugar with vanilla essence, 104 grams of flour, 30 grams of ground almonds, and 104 grams of butter that we will heat up. We will start off to whisk the eggs with the sugar and then later fold in our dry ingredients. Once it's light and airy, mix in very slowly your flour, just fold it in gently, not to destroy this airy texture that we created. And then fold in your almonds and gently mix it. Fold in your melted butter in 3 steps. Fold in your And here is our end result of the Genoise. The only thing to do is let it fully cool and then simply cut it out with a little knife, and that's it. You can use it for your cakes. I will infuse my layers with a kirsch liquor mix and sugar and water, and then build it with my cream. But yes, it can be used in many recipes, so that's super easy.